Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in via SSH using PuTTY on Windows step by step clearly. Open your Windows computer. Download PuTTY from the official website. Locate the downloaded PuTTY installer file. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the prompts to install PuTTY on your system. Once the installation is complete, open the PuTTY application. In the PuTTY configuration window, enter the hostname or IP address of the server. Ensure that the SSH option is selected under connection type. Specify the port number, typically 22 for SSH connections. Optionally, save your session by entering a name in the Saved Sessions field. Click the Save button to keep this configuration for future use. Click the Open button to initiate the connection to the server. A security alert may appear the first time you connect. Click Yes to proceed if you trust the server's fingerprint. A terminal window will open, prompting you for your username. Enter your username and press Enter. You will then be prompted for your password. Type your password and press Enter. Once logged in, you will have access to the server's command line. You're now ready to execute commands on your remote server via SSH. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.